Looking for the best greenhouse in 2026? In this video, we review the top greenhouse kits for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. From durable polycarbonate models to spacious walk-in greenhouses, we compare features, build quality, ventilation, insulation, and overall value. Whether you want to grow vegetables year-round, protect delicate plants, or extend your growing season, this guide will help you choose the perfect greenhouse for your garden. Number 3. The House 16 by 12 by 9.5 foot polycarbonate greenhouse is an attractive and spacious greenhouse that blends practical gardening functionality with elegant pavilion-style design. With its large footprint and impressive interior height, it provides ample room for growing plants, creating raised garden beds, or even setting up a relaxing garden retreat. One of the standout features is its 16 by 12 foot size, which offers significantly more growing space than many standard backyard greenhouses. The pavilion-inspired roof design adds a sophisticated architectural touch while creating a bright, open atmosphere inside. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, herbs, or overwintering potted plants, the generous interior provides plenty of flexibility. Constructed with durable polycarbonate panels and reinforced framing, the greenhouse is built to withstand challenging weather conditions. Users report excellent performance in areas with heavy wind, snow, and fluctuating temperatures. The included reinforcement screws and ground stakes enhance stability, helping protect plants year-round. Ventilation is another strong point. The greenhouse features multiple vent windows and wide double doors that can be opened to create effective airflow during hot weather. Many owners note that the cross-breeze system helps regulate temperatures, while optional shade cloths can further improve summer comfort. Assembly requires time and attention to detail, but the clearly labeled parts, illustrated instructions, and installation video make the process manageable. Overall, the House Pavilion Greenhouse offers an outstanding combination of beauty, durability, and functionality, making it an excellent investment for serious gardeners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Number 2. The Aliexpress 14 by 9.5 by 9 feet walk-in polycarbonate greenhouse is a spacious and thoughtfully designed greenhouse that offers an excellent combination of durability, functionality, and ease of assembly. Ideal for hobby gardeners and plant enthusiasts, it provides ample room for year-round growing while also serving as a comfortable garden retreat or sunroom. One of the standout features is Aliexpress's patented quick connector system, which significantly reduces installation time compared to traditional greenhouse kits. With pre-embedded screws and simplified connections, assembly is more straightforward, and many users report that the parts fit together accurately with clear instructions provided. The greenhouse features a sturdy 1.5 mm rust-resistant aluminum frame paired with 6 mm twin-wall polycarbonate panels that offer excellent insulation and 99.99% UV protection. The reinforced frame, upgraded corner posts, and expansion screws enhance structural stability, allowing the greenhouse to withstand winds up to 70 miles per hour and moderate snow loads. With a generous 14 by 9.5 foot footprint and a tall 9 foot peak height, the interior feels open and comfortable. The 6-foot wall height makes it easy to move around without bending, while the wide double swing doors accommodate people, tools, and gardening equipment. 2 adjustable side vents and the decorative Victorian roof crest improve airflow and add visual appeal. Users praise its attractive appearance, solid construction, and weather resistance. Overall, the Aliexpress greenhouse offers impressive value, durability, and growing space for gardeners seeking a long-lasting outdoor greenhouse solution. Number 1. The Backyard Discovery Belrose XL Greenhouse Kit is a premium walk-in greenhouse designed for serious gardeners who want a durable, spacious, and feature-rich growing environment. Combining the natural beauty of cedar wood with commercial-grade polycarbonate panels, this greenhouse delivers impressive performance while enhancing the look of any backyard. One of its most notable strengths is its exceptional durability. The structure is Protect tested to withstand up to 9,200 pounds of snow load and winds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored, making it suitable for year-round use in a variety of climates. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate roof and window panels provide excellent insulation, helping retain heat more effectively than standard greenhouse panels and extending the growing season. With 143 square feet of interior space, the Belrose XL offers plenty of room for seedlings, raised planters, large potted plants, and gardening equipment. The built-in workstation, multiple staging shelves, plant hooks, and integrated hose connections create a highly functional workspace. The temperature-activated exhaust fan and 2 windows help maintain proper airflow and growing conditions throughout the year. Additional conveniences include the patented power port with electrical outlets and USB ports, allowing gardeners to power lights, fans, and other accessories. Users frequently praise the quality of the materials, thoughtful design, and clear assembly instructions, though most recommend having at least 2 people for installation. Overall, the Backyard Discovery Belrose XL is a beautiful, well-built greenhouse that offers outstanding value, durability, and year-round gardening potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this greenhouse review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening product reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which greenhouse is your favorite for 2026 and what plants you're planning to grow this season. Happy gardening!